This is the old cabin filter out of my car, and as you can see, it is filled with leaves and gunk and dirt, and it's completely putrid. And this is the new filter that I'm replacing it with. And the reason it's so important to change these out is because all of the air that comes into your car through your aircon vents is filtering through this. So I'm changing the filter in my Subaru Impreza WRX, but the process is pretty much the same in most cars, and in most cars the filter is located behind the glove box of the car. Now all you're going to need to change the filter is a screwdriver to access it and the new filter itself. I just went into my local auto parts store and they got the filter that I needed. Now most of the time the cabin filter is going to be behind the glove box. You can either pop it out in some cars like that and it'll pop out, or in this one you've got to undo screws along here, there and on the bottom. So now I should be able to pop this whole glove box compartment out. So under here is the fan and the filter is in here. Just going to unclip this cable which is in the way. And then we can pop these two plastic clips there and lift that cover off. You can see on here there's a little arrow pointing down, which is good to remember. And then I can pull the old filter out, which is pretty disgusting. So with the old filter out, I can then just pop the new one back in, keeping in mind the arrow for the direction of airflow, and pop that back in like that. And then just pop the cover back on it. That'll clip back into place. Make sure to connect that cable back up that I disconnected. And I can pop my glove box back into place. And then screw everything back into place. And then with everything screwed into place, close that up, and that's all there is to it.